Allweather Wood supplies a wide variety of pressure-treated lumber and plywood, including fire retardant treated. Fire retardant treated lumber and plywood are suitable for fire-rated wall assemblies and other interior applications, where fire retardant construction materials are specified or required by building codes. The pressure treatment process ensures the fire retardants are impregnated into the lumber and plywood. It is not a spray-on that can flake or chip off over time. After the pressure treatment process, fire retardant treated lumber and plywood are both air and kiln dried to lock the fire retardants into the wood cells and reach the required moisture content. For more information about Allweather Wood's fire retardant product offerings, please visit allweatherwood.com.